A word of warning on how not to undo your work accidentally when using layers. I made this mistake when making this video, might as well add it into the tutorial. I wanted to add in another layer to pose the legs. So I tested out a new rig layout to prevent the thigh and buttocks from collapsing. Then I realized I didn't turn off bind mesh. So I went back and turned it off. When I was done adjusting, experimented on the new rig layout, I click on bind mesh under rigging again. I made a mistake by clicking on the first recorded layer, not realizing that I was reversing the rig's layout, undoing any changes. So I had to redo the new rig layout for the legs again to record for the second layer. Touching the arms layer undid the layout test I had done on the legs. So I reset my pose again by unbinding and rebinding mesh.